As you can see, your generosity has enabled us to start the first two phases of construction, erecting the steel support structure and the block outer shell of the building. We will, however, need additional funds to proceed with the construction and put in the water, sewer, electrical, and heating systems that need to be installed before the inside can be finished. If we are not able to raise the additional funds, the construction will have to be halted. We will lose momentum, making it much more difficult to remobilize. We ask that you help with any amount you are able. At this time of increased conflict and upheaval of the elements, we keep Maitreya Buddha, Buddha loving kindness, as our inspiration. We aim to create and build a place that will be a model for fostering tolerance and understanding by bringing together various religious and cultural traditions, where all can benefit from the wisdom and compassion of the great masters of the past and present. The Maitreya Center is dedicated to ending suffering and bringing peace to all the people of the world, and especially to our immediate community in the United States of America. Both His Holiness the 16th Karmapa and the current 17th Karmapa, Orjin Trinley Dorje, have visited Kagyu Thubten Choling Monastery and consecrated the site of the Maitreya Center. Earlier this year, His Holiness the Karmapa gave the Akshobhya empowerment to remove obstacles and ensure the success of building the Maitreya Center. Chamgon Taisitu Rinpoche, who in this life is the emanation of Buddha Maitreya, also consecrated and blessed the project. Please help us make this vision a reality.